Would you like to make a lot more money in your life? Would you love to greatly increase your income as quickly as possible? My friend, in today's appointment, we're going to teach you exactly that. Come on in. Hello, my friend, and welcome to today's mentoring appointment. So you want to make money as quickly as possible. Fantastic. People come to me all the time asking me that question. The fastest way for you to actually generate real wealth, and of course we're not just talking about mediocre wealth that you can get with a job, is to find what we call your personal success equation. Each person's path to success is going to be different. My path to wealth may be different than what yours is. Other people's paths to wealth might be different from still other people's, and that's okay. Your personal success equation comes from finding your greatest skill and your greatest passion and putting them together in a way that it solves problems for people. My friend, start by grabbing a piece of paper and make a list of your top 5 to 10 greatest skills. Then do the same thing with a list of your top 5 to 10 greatest passions. Once you've done so, choose the one that stands out the most to you on each list. You now have your greatest skill and your greatest passion. Begin to ask yourself, how can you put those two together in a way that it actually can form a business that you can then market to other people? Let me give you an example. When I first found out this equation, I realized that my greatest skill was doing holistic healthcare. I've given literally thousands and thousands of treatments. I've treated thousands and thousands of patients. I'm really good at helping people to get physical results. I'm also really passionate about giving presentations. I love being in front of an audience. I love training them and teaching them how to increase their results. I love having fun with them, and of course, I love interacting with them. I wondered how I could possibly put the two together. And pretty soon, we created presentations where we actually did treatments. It was like this revolutionary thing. Hardly anyone had done it before. We began to advertise them and invite people to our presentations. And one after another, people started signing up for higher level programs. In fact, that's exactly what got us off of welfare and helped us to become extremely wealthy. My friend, what's your greatest skill and your greatest passion? Now, of course, you have to figure out a way to put these two together in a way that it will be marketable. Let me explain what I mean. With some of my mentoring students that I've done this exercise with, they've said something to the effect of, well, my greatest skill is putting a smile on people's faces, and my greatest passion is that of butterflies. And so what I'll do is every time I see a butterfly, I will send them a good thought in my head so that they will begin to smile. I remember thinking, okay, that's good. Definitely do that. There's nothing wrong with that. But I doubt that that's going to be extremely marketable. Does that make sense? You must figure out a way that you can combine the two in a way that, again, solves people's problems or fills a need for people, and a way that you can market it. My friend, if you want further help, come to our next Celebration of Freedom event. Click on the link below, sign up for one of our live events, and come and join us. We'll help you to figure out your personal success equation. Doing so will be your fastest way to achieving wealth. Great job on today's mentoring appointment, my friend. How did that go for you? My friend, one more time, make sure to leave us a comment below, subscribe to our channel, and of course, send this video to those that you know would benefit from it. One more time, as already discussed, if you really want to take your life to the next level, make sure to join us in one of our next live events. Go to feelwelllivewell.com, click on live events, and get yourself signed up. And watch as your income skyrockets.